Dynaglow's 20,000 BTU Blue Flame vent-free wall heater is the perfect choice to keep you warm in your home or garage. Simply hold down the battery-operated push-button igniter, and this unit heats up to 700 square feet of space. This type of heater heats the air first, circulating the warmth through the room, much like your central heating system. This unit includes a wall mounting bracket and has optional legs that can be purchased to mount the heater to the floor. This heater features a manual control customizable to low, medium, and high heat settings, an oxygen depletion sensor, and overheat safety. So if the heater operates at higher than normal temperatures, this safety device will automatically shut off the heater. An optional blower can be purchased separately to improve heat distribution throughout the room, and it comes with a 1-year limited warranty. So don't be cold, keep warm with the 20,000 BTU Blue Flame vent-free wall heater by Dynaglow.